How do successful OEM supplier businesses stay technologically advanced to meet customers' changing demands? In OEM manufacturing, whether for automotive, medical, or consumer electronics, staying technologically advanced is crucial. Falling behind can result in compatibility issues, lost contracts, and a dent in your reputation. Yet, adopting new tech and processes often feels overwhelming, especially if your teams lack clear direction or fear the associated risks. That's where the M.O.D.E.R.N framework comes in. Each letter, map, organize, develop, embrace, run, and nurture, guides you from outdated methods to a forward-thinking operation. Let's explore how each step can help you consistently upgrade and future-proof your business. Wait, are you sure you are exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at how frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth one smart decision at a time.